my mother-in-law's recipe for a quick yet incredibly fancy dish. Now my husband asks for it every single day. And I can't blame him. You have to try it today. Take an ice cream cup and line it with slices of raw bacon so that the bottom and sides are covered, leaving the ends hanging over the edge. Slice parboiled potatoes into thin pieces and arrange a layer on the bacon, covering the bottom completely. Cut chicken fillets into smaller flat pieces and place them on top of the potatoes. Season with your favorite spices so the meat is flavorful and juicy. Add another layer of sliced potatoes, more chicken, and season again. Sprinkle shredded cheese on top for a golden melty crust packed with flavor. Fold the overhanging bacon over the top to seal the roast. Prepare a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and place small glasses upside down on it. Put the baking sheet in the oven and remove the cups. Bake at about 350 degrees Fahrenheit for roughly 25 minutes until the bacon is crispy. You'll get an aromatic golden roast that impresses with both taste and presentation. A hearty, eye-catching dish perfect for a family dinner. Enjoy.